Yes. Hello dear 10 ICSE students. Now this is a second video on transpiration MCQs. Case study type questions. So let's start. The diagram of an apparatus given below demonstrates a particular process in plants. Study the same and answer the questions that follow. So see the diagram carefully. So the first question is, the given apparatus is Ganong's potometer. Everyone knows this. This is a very important question. So yes, very easy. The phenomenon demonstrated by this apparatus is transpiration. Transpiration को पढ़ने के लिए Ganong's potometer का setup जो है सेट किया जाता है laboratory में. So this diagram is showing us that only. And which one of the following is not a limitation of using this apparatus? It does not measure the amount of water lost during transpiration. Is not a limitation. ये एक limitation है. It does not measure the amount of water. Introducing air bubble is not easy. Yes. Experiment takes longer time so that the plant twig may not remain alive. हाँ, बहुत लंबा समय लगता है. ये भी एक limitation है. Transpiration causes suction pressure in the capillary tube. No, this is not a limitation. ठीक है? Okay. The next question. The small tiny structures found in a plant through which the above process takes place are stomata. Stomata are the pores through which transpiration takes place, exchange of gases takes place. Okay. Transpiration is a loss of water in the form of water vapor from the surface of the aerial parts of the plants, mainly the leaves. Aerial की spelling wrong है, AE होगी. On the basis of this, answer the following questions. The process that occurs in a plant when the root pressure is high but transpiration is low is रूट प्रेशर हाई है. ठीक है, रूट प्रेशर हाई है मतलब पानी ऊपर चढ़ रहा है प्लांट में पर ट्रांसपिरेशन नहीं हो रही है. उस समय गटेशन हो जाएगा थ्रू द मार्जिन ऑफ द लीव्स. थ्रू द मार्जिन ऑफ द लीव्स, यू नो व्हाट इज गटेशन. देयर आर पोर्स ऑन द मार्जिन्स ऑफ द लीव्स. यहाँ से पानी वाटर ड्रॉपलेट बन के निकल जाएंगे. दैट इज गटेशन. पानी का भाप नहीं बनेगा, वाटर ड्रॉपलेट बनेगा लीफ की मार्जिन से. अ प्लांट इन विच स्टोमेटा आर एब्सेंट इज हाइड्रेला. हाइड्रेला में स्टोमेटा नहीं होता. नीरियम में संकन स्टोमेटा होता है पर स्टोमेटा होता है. Substance which causes partial closure of stomata is called PMA. A waxy protective layer on the leaf epidermal meant to reduce the rate of transpiration is cuticle. Waxy layer कौन सा है? Cuticle है. I hope you can see. The microscopic pore surrounded by two kidney-shaped card cells is known as. The microscopic pore is known as a किडनी शेप्ड कार्ड सेल से स्टोमेटा ही प्रोटेक्टेड रहता है. जो पोर का नाम है स्टोमेटल पोर. इट इज नॉट एनीथिंग एल्स. स्टोमेटल पोर. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Transpiration is useful in giving a cooling effect, distribution of water, translocation of food and osmosis. Transpiration is affected by light, humidity, temperature of air, wind, soil, water and leaf structure. Based on the above information, answer the questions. Waxy layer on the epidermis of the leaf is called cuticle. A plant in which stomata are absent is hydrilla. ये सब हमने अभी प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस में भी डिस्कस किया है. प्लांट विथ sunken stomata is नीरियम. मैंने आपसे अभी कहा था. The structure on dark woody stem for transpiration are called lenticels. woody stem में वुडी स्टेम में जो छेदा होता है उसको लेंटिसेल्स कहते हैं, और उसके जरिए जो ट्रांसपिरेशन होता है उसको लेंटिक्यूलर ट्रांसपिरेशन कहा जाता है. लॉस ऑफ वाटर एज ड्रॉपलेट्स फ्रॉम द मार्जिन्स ऑफ द लीफ इज कॉल्ड guttation. This also I just explained you in the previous question. Next question. Water is lost through stomata, the structure which allows gaseous exchange for photosynthesis and respiration. Transpiration is thus referred to as a necessary evil. The atmospheric factor that affects the opening of stomata is ओपनिंग ऑफ स्टोमेटा को ओपन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर है एटमॉस्फेयर का लाइट जो है बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेंस होगा तो स्टोमेटा क्लोज हो जाएगी. ठीक है. मॉडरेट विंड वेलोसिटी increases the rate of transpiration. Very high temperature reduces the transpiration by closing the stomata. The rate of transpiration decreases with increase in humidity. If the amount of water in the soil is less, then the rate of transpiration decreases. कम पानी होगा तो कम पानी absorb होगा तो transpiration से भी कम पानी जाएगा तो transpiration कम हो जाएगी. There will be less loss of water. Transpiration is the evaporation of water from the aerial parts of plants. Transpiration rate is highest during the hot summer and the lowest during the humid winter months. It can be measured by weighing methods or potometer. Sorry, it's not photometer, it's potometer. On the basis of this, answer the following questions. Okay. When the rate of transpiration exceeds the rate of absorption of water, बहुत ज़्यादा पानी निकल रहा है पर उतना पानी प्लांट ले नहीं पा रहा है सॉइल से तो प्लांट विल्ट हो जाएगा. Which of the following increases the rate of transpiration? Temperature, adequate quantity of water near the roots, wind velocity. Yes, root pressure. No, wind velocity. बहुत तेजी से हवा जाएगी तो ट्रांसपिरेशन भी जल्दी जल्दी होगा. Transpiration from brown woody stain takes place by lenticels. Lenticular transpiration कहा जाता है. So guys, take a screenshot and I hope you can see clearly and this video is useful to you. So keep sharing, keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.